1960.
Since 1960,
Ọmọ Yorùbá ò tẹ́ head the port authority.
Yoruba child has never ended the NPA, never.
Ọmọ Yorùbá ò tí head the custom.
And Yoruba child has never been the one to head custom.
Bóde Yorùbá ní MB àwọn ló wà ńbẹ̀.
Or immigration. You find all these people.
Wọ́n gba inú ọjà lọ nìbàdàn, wọ́n lọ kó rẹ̀ sí wọn lóru.
They even went to the market in Ibadan and stole their rice in the night.
Ṣé kó máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀?
Should we allow this to continue? Never.
Lamentation chapter 5.
Ẹkún Jeremiah orí karùn-ún.
Rántí Olúwa ohun tó dé sórí wa.
Remember, O Lord, what has come upon us.
Kí o sì rò, kí o sì wo ẹ̀gàn wa.
Look and behold our reproach.
Verse 2.
Ẹsẹ̀
A
kejì.
fi ogun wa lé àwọn àlejò
Our
lọ́wọ́.
inheritance has been turned over to aliens,
A fi ilẹ̀ wa fún àwọn àjèjì.
and our houses to foreigners.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n yín lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ń bí ó lọ ń pín ráìsì fún wọn lókè ọya.
Your senior brother in Lagos went to the north to share rice.
Nígbà tí àlejò ń kọ́ refinery sí
Your
Èkó
uncle,
lókè lọ́hùn. Wọ́n kọ́ refinery fúnlẹ̀ Yorùbá.
he went to north to share. Why?
Ọmọ Yorùbá gbé
Take him
owó
to the
tiẹ̀.
refinery.
Ó lọ ń pín ráìsì lókè ọya.
Your uncle went to share rice in the north.
Fúnra wa ilẹ̀ Yorùbá la gbé ogun wa lé ọwọ́.
Yoruba land, we gave our inheritance to the strangers.
Airport wa ta ń fún un lé. Ta ló sọ lórúkọ?
Who named our
Ọbásanjọ́.
airport? Who named it?
Ta ló
OBJ.
kírètì capital sọ́hun?
Who created-
Akínọlá Àgùdà.
Capital there.
Wọ́n tẹ́ àwọn obìnrin wa ní ògo.
They ravished the women in Zion.
They rape. Kí ni Gẹ̀ẹ́sì jẹ́ wí?
Ravished. Rape.
They raped
They
our
raped
women.
our women.
Verse 12.
Ẹsẹ̀ kejìlá.
A sọ àwọn ìjòyè rọ̀ nípa ọwọ́ wọn.
Our princes are being hung by their thumbs.
Gbogbo ọba wa di
Our kings now, they are
ọwọ́ wọn
now,
rọ̀.
they have surrendered. They can't do anything.
Láti 1979 tí mo ti ń gbàdúrà fún Nàìjíríà, mi ò tí ì gbàdúrà fúnlẹ̀ Yorùbá rí àfòní.
1979, I've been praying for Nigeria. I've never prayed for Yoruba land except today.
Gbogbo àdúrà mi ń sin ilẹ̀ Yorùbá mo fẹ́ dojú
I
ẹ̀ bọ̀.
begin to direct my prayer to Yoruba land now.
Verse 13.
Ẹsẹ̀ kẹtàlá.
Àwọn ọ̀dọ́mọkùnrin ń ru ọlọ.
Young men are led away to work at milestones.
Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ wa ti di area boys tán.
All our boys
Wọ́n
are
di
now
ọlọ́kadà.
hoodlums.
Adé ṣubú kúrò lórí wa.
The crown has fallen from our heads.
Ṣadé ò ṣubú kúrò lórí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá.
Has the crown not fallen away from many Yoruba kings?
Tẹ bá rí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá bọ́n ṣe ń ṣiṣẹ́ jìyà lókè òkun.
If you see the way Yoruba children are walking abroad
Tẹ
suffering,
bá rí wọn ní Dubai.
if you see them in Dubai,
Tayọ̀tayọ̀ la fi ń fẹsẹ̀ rìn gba desert.
with joy, we journey through the desert.
Ẹ wo bìtílẹ̀ wa dé dúró.
Look at-
Ẹ̀yin bàbá wa nínú ìgbàgbọ́ ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ sókè.
Look at where we are, our fathers in faith. Speak out, oh.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá dákẹ́.
If you keep quiet,
Ọlọ́run á béèrè ẹ̀jẹ̀ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá
God
lọ́rùn.
will ask of the blood on you.
Ẹ má rò pé ẹ máa save pẹ̀lú àwọn security tó ń sọ.
Don't think you will be saved with all this your protocol and security.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá kígbe àdúrà lórí ilẹ̀
You
Yorùbá
don't
lákòókò.
shout and pray at this particular time.
Tá a bá gbàdúrà ohun tó ń bọ̀ burú o.
If we fail to pray, what is